In this video, we will learn how to insert header and footer in Excel sheet. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. For inserting header and footer, just click on the View tab, click on the Page Layout. You get here option Add Header. I just want to write here ABC Limited. Okay, now here I am writing Accounting Department. Okay, then after scrolling the end of the page, you get option for footer. You can add the footer, so you can add here page 1. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.